Hi, I am Lemon, and in this video I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp if it's not opening. Now let's get started.
So you click on WhatsApp once, twice, maybe a few more times and nothing happens. Yeah, that can be really frustrating. But don't worry, we'll fix it step by step. First, click on the start button and search for WhatsApp. When it shows up, right click on it and select app settings. This will open a settings page for the app. Now scroll down a bit and you'll see a reset option. Go ahead and click on it. You'll get a little pop-up asking for confirmation. Just click reset again. Now quick heads up here, this will clear all the app data, so you'll need to log in again afterwards. Alright, once that's done, let's move to the next step. Go back to the start menu and this time search for WS Reset. Now open it. This tool resets the Microsoft Store and helps fix issues with apps installed from it. You might see a blank window for a few seconds, that's normal. Just let it finish. Now let's try opening WhatsApp again. And there you go, it should open up normally now. But if it still doesn't work, here's one last thing you can try. Just uninstall the app and then reinstall it fresh from the Microsoft Store. That usually fixes any remaining issues.